Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce you with Roman numerals. This is the new topic for you. Before this you have learned about numbers. Generally in numbers we use some digits. The digits are 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 digits and we use these digits to represent a number. Now in this topic we will represent the number with different symbol, and symbol will be in English alphabetically letter. Okay. So what is the relation between these numbers with represented by digits and the symbol we will use? The number represented by the digits are called Hindu-Arabic numerals, and we use some different symbols like these symbols for Roman numerals. So there is a relation between these two. The symbol used in Roman numerals are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. This kind of English alphabetical. Now here I represent in Hindu Arabic 1, V means 5, X means 10, here L means 50, C 100, D 500 and M 1000. This symbol we have to first remember, keep it in our mind to represent a number in Roman numerals. Now there is the number 1 for I, 5 represented by V, 10 for X in this way, but these are for certain few numbers. There are so many numbers, we have to represent this. So to represent this number in Roman numerals, some rules we have to keep in our mind. These rules are written here. Number 1, when a lower value symbol is written to the right of a higher value symbol, both of the values will be added. What is the meaning of the rule? The lower value symbol, suppose lower value symbol is I, and take a higher value symbol, that is whose value is greater than 1, suppose 10, X, and we write the lower value symbol to the right of the higher value symbol. So Xi, that means the value of X 10 and value of I 1 will be added and we get 11. In this way, if we take suppose L and X and I. So L means 50, X here 10, I is here 1, L 50 and X 10, 10 is on the right side of 50, lower value is on the right side of the higher value, so there will be add, and I is again on the right side of 10, that is the right side of higher value, so again add, so we get 61. So this explains the first rule, that whenever a smaller value or lower value symbol is used on the right side of higher value symbol, then there will be added, there should be add between these two values. Now rule number 2, when a lower value symbol is written to the left side of the higher value symbol, for example IX. So I means here 1, X means 10. First 10 and 1. As value of I is 1 is less than 10 and it is lies on the left side of X, left side of 10. So there should be subtraction. So we get 9. But subtraction is allowed for only 1, that means one time you can subtract. Again suppose XL. So X is 10, which is less than L means 50, and it lies on the left side of 50. So L means 50, subtract 10, we get 40. So this is the rule number 2. Now coming to rule number 3, we can only repeat in succession the symbols I, X and C. You can easily check here how many symbols are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 symbols. Also you can repeat here for M also. Okay, you can repeat successively M also. What is the rule? You can repeat this symbol but up to 3 times. What is the meaning? Suppose I am taking I. So I is repeated for 3 times, not more than 3 times you can repeat. And what will be the value of this one? 1 plus 1 plus 1. So repeated means only add 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Suppose I am writing here X and you will repeat I and I 2 times. Maximum 3 times is allowed. I have repeated I for 2 times. X means 10, then I means 1 on the right side. So according to rule 1 plus 1 and then again 1, we get 12. So repetition is allowed only for I, X and C. Let me explain another repetition. Suppose taking X, that means 10 plus 10, 20. Again X. So that is 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. So in this way you can repeat maximum 3 times, but 4 times or more than 3 times is not allowed. So these are the rules for writing Roman numerals. Now let us convert some Hindu-Arabic numerals to Roman and Roman to Hindu-Arabic numerals. First, let us take some Roman numerals and convert it into Hindu-Arabic numerals. So question is, convert the Roman numerals to Hindu-Arabic numerals. And the number is taken, suppose X, I, V. Okay. So here we will write first the values of each of the symbol. What is the value of this one? 10. This is also 10. I means 1 and V means 5. Now first we will arrange the numbers from greatest to smaller. So first we will write 10, then this 10, then this 5, and next we will take this 1. Now you have to put proper symbol according to the rules. 10, 10, 5, 5. Okay. First 10 is this one written. Okay. Next is again 10. So repeatedly 10, 10 comes. So there will be sign plus. Okay. Now 5 is coming and 5 was after 10, that is on the right side of the greater value. So there will be again add. But 1 was lies on the left side of smaller value 5. After 5 there is 1, but 1 lies on the left side of 5. So there will be subtraction. Now calculate 10 plus 10 20 and plus 5 minus 1 4. So we get 24. Let us take another example, convert this Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic. Suppose triple x triple I. Then x means 10, 10, 10, this is 1, this again 1, this again 1. Now write this 10 first, then this 10, then next this is 10, next 1, next this one, next this one. Now put the symbol according to the rule, 10 after 10 after 10, so 10 plus 10 plus 10. Then after 10 there is 1 and 1 is written on the right side of 10. So there will be add successively 3 ones. So add. So we get 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So we get this 33. Let us take another example, third number. XL VII. X means 10, L is 50, V is 5, I is 1, again I is 1. Let us first arrange the numbers from larger to smaller. So first 50 we will take, then 10, next 5 will come, next 1 and then again 1. Okay. Now check it, first 50 has come, okay, but after that there is 10, but 10 was on the left side of 50. Smaller value was on the left side of the higher value. So there will be subtraction. Now 5 is coming after 10 and 5 lies on the right side of 10. So there will be add. Next, after 5 there is 1 and 1 comes after 5. So plus again plus 1. So what value we get? First this subtract 50 minus 10, 40, then plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. So we get 47. So in this way you can convert the Roman numbers into Hindu Arabic numbers. Now let us take some example to convert the Hindu Arabic numbers to Roman numbers. Convert Hindu Arabic numbers to Roman numbers. Number 1, suppose 15. So first we have to expand this number, but how can we expand? We will go to the nearest symbol, nearest value to 15 and have a symbol. The having symbol with nearest value is 10. So 15 we will expand 10 and plus 5. Both of them have particular symbol x and this is v. Now see the arrangement that after 10 there is 5, plus is there. So first written the larger value symbol, then plus 5 means add 5. So lower value symbol is on the right side of the higher value symbol. So v will be there to add. So we get xv. Number 2. (28). So how can we expand 28? Nearest 28 there is no value, so we expand this 10 plus 10 20 and then plus 8. Again we can expand because 8 has no specific symbol. 10 has symbol, okay. 10 plus 10 20 you get. Now 8 we will expand 5 plus 1 plus 1 this way. Now every number used here have a particular symbol. 10 x, again x, this is v, this is 1, this is 1. Now 10 plus 10, one after another x and x, and then plus 5. So 5 symbol will come on the right side, then 1 plus 1 on the right side I. So this is the Roman numerals of 28. Come to 3 number. (34). So 34 will be expanded as 10 plus 10 plus 10, which make 30 and plus 4. Okay. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is okay. Now 4 will be written as 5 minus 1. They have particular symbol. 10 has symbol x. Again this is x. This 10 is x. 5 is here v and 1 is here I. Now we will arrange the symbols. First take x, 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 one after another successively 3x to add and get 30. X, x, x. Then plus 5 means on the right side there will be v but minus 1. So minus 1 from 5. So I will come before v, so that it become subtracted from 5. So I should be on the left side of v. Okay. Let us take another example, 4 number, which is 49. How can we write 49? 49 is nearest to 50. So 50 minus 1, but you cannot subtract 1 from 50. You cannot subtract 1 from 50. So 50 should be written, sorry, there is a mistake. 49 is nearest to the 50. Okay, 50 minus 1, but 1 is not subtracted from 50. So 50 should be expanded as 40 plus 10 and then minus 1. Okay. So 1 can be subtracted from 10. Now again 40 can be expanded as 50 minus 10 and then plus 10 minus 1. 50 means L minus 10. 10 will be subtracted from 50. 10 symbol is x. As it will be subtracted, so x will come before L, that is on the left side, XL. And then again plus 10 means x, but 1 is subtracted from 10, so I will come before x. So, XLIX, that is the symbol for 49. So, in this way we can convert the Hindu-Arabic numerals to Roman numerals. So, this was the details about Roman numerals, and this completes our first chapter, numbers up to 9999. Okay, we will meet with another chapter. Thank you and goodbye.